Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given a table which is showing the number of international tourist arrivals rounded to the nearest tenth of a million of the top 9 tourist destinations in both 2012 and 2013. The number of international tourist arrivals in Russia, we're told, is 13.5% greater in 2012 than in 2011. So first, before we go any further, let's find what the value is in 2011. So 2011's number, let's call x. Okay, so x plus 13.5% of x is going to be equal to the value in 2012, right? The amount in 2011 plus 13.5% more of that same amount is going to be equal to the value in 2012, which is 24.7. What is 13.5%? Well, percent is a number out of 100, so 13.5% is 13.5 divided by 100, which is 0.135. So we have x plus 0.135x is equal to 24.7. Adding these two together is 1.135x is equal to 24.7. Dividing both sides by 1.135 to get x on its own. These cancel out. We get x is equal to 24.7 divided by 1.135. Put this into your calculator. You'll get it's roughly 21.8 million people. We're told the number of international tourist arrivals in Russia was k more in 2012 than 2011, and we're asked to find k to the nearest integer. So if it was k more in 2012 than 2011, k is equal to the amount in 2012, 24.7, minus the amount in 2011, which is 21.8, which is what we just found. Yet this is 2.9, and this is your value of k. We're asked to round to the nearest integer, so 2.9 becomes 3, which is your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.